In this video, we'll show you how to use the budget allocation participation method, which can be used on its own or as a phase in your overall project timeline. We will cover how to establish a budget and then facilitate participants selecting their preferred projects that fit within that budget. From your admin dashboard, go to Projects and Create a Project. For the purposes of this video, we'll create a project from scratch. Go ahead and add the name of your project. As always, we encourage you to add visual elements with a project banner and homepage project card. And once your project is created, adding a description for the homepage, as well as a larger description about the engagement opportunities. From here, you'll want to scroll up and go to the Timeline tab. This is where we will start to build out the project phases. To create a phase with the budget allocation exercise, you'll want to select Conduct a Budget Allocation Exercise. You can select what you want the inputs to be called, and then from here, you'll want to set the total budget. So again, this will be the total amount available for participants to spend. Again, creating the timeline for that phase and additional information about the project phase, as well as how people can participate. We encourage you to have multiple phases as part of your project and always recommend having a report out phase. Now we'll show you how to create the list of projects that community members can then vote on as they're filling out their projects within a certain budget. You'll add a title for the project, a little bit of a description. In the budget section, you'll provide the details of how much that project would cost. We always encourage you to add an image or any relevant attachments. And you'll want to create an input for each of the projects you'd like citizens to be able to vote on. Now we'll show you what things look like from the user perspective. You can see our budget project here on the homepage. As people scroll down, they'll see the budget allocation exercise. They'll be able to see all of the different projects, their budget of $1,000, and they can begin to add projects to their budget, and you can see the basket begins to fill up as projects are added. Once they've added the total number of projects that fit within that budget, they'll go ahead and click Submit My Basket, and that is how citizens will provide feedback on how to spend the available budget. Now, as an admin, if you'd like to see the results of your engagement, you can go to the admin dashboard and the input manager within your specific project, and you'll be able to see a breakdown of how many times citizens have voted for each project. For more information and other training videos, please visit us on the community platform.